Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to write curved text in Word. We are going to open the Word document. There in the Insert menu, we locate Word Art. We click there and then choose one of the available designs. Enter the desired text. Now in the menu, Shape Format, display the option Text Effects, and in Transform we are going to choose Circle. Then we are going to use the controls to adjust the curve of the text and its location within the document. If you wish, you can add text and you will see that it takes the shape of the curve. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.